How to diagnose a sensor code without replacing the sensor. This lesson shows how to approach a sensor code points to a system behavior, not automatically to a failed sensor. A sensor code points to a system behavior, not automatically to a failed sensor. The problem is not usually one isolated term or one quick check. It is the relationship between DTC meaning, ECU observed behavior, sensor circuit causes, mechanical causes, and the evidence you collect from the circuit and scan data. The ECU sets codes from range, rationality, and performance logic. The module does not see guesses or replaced parts. It sees input voltage, signal behavior, plausibility, and whether the data matches the operating condition. That is why this section turns the physical circuit into the logic the ECU or module can actually use. Separate clue from conclusion. DTC points to a system, not a part. The code starts the test path. It does not finish the diagnosis. Compare sensor, wiring, connector, ground, and mechanical causes. Sensor versus wiring versus connector versus ground versus mechanical cause. The code starts the test path. It does not finish the diagnosis. Show the required circuit checks before replacing the sensor. Power, ground, signal checks. 5-volt reference, low reference, signal voltage. The code starts the test path. It does not finish the diagnosis. Scan data has to match the circuit. A sensor value should move when the real condition changes, and the measured signal should agree with what the scan tool reports. If those two views disagree, that disagreement becomes the next diagnostic clue. Show why similar data can come from different causes. Sensor versus wiring versus connector versus ground versus mechanical cause. The code starts the test path. It does not finish the diagnosis. Build the test path in order. Step 1, read freeze frame. Step 2, check service info. Step 3, test power ground signal. Step 4, compare related PIDs. Step 5, confirm cause. This sequence turns the lesson into proof instead of guesswork. Do not replace the sensor yet. The takeaway is to prove power, ground, signal, and scan data first. If those checks agree with the expected behavior, then the sensor becomes a stronger suspect. If they do not agree, the circuit or data path is still the story. Step Diagnostics, Guided Automotive Diagnostics.